How to swap Solana to SUI in Phantom Wallet. Now first of all, open the Phantom app. Make sure that you create a wallet on it. Now after that, what you need to do, tap on swap in the bottom. And now as you can see here, from the top, you see the Sol. First of all, make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet first. Now in the bottom, as you can see, the USDC, you can tap on it. And now here, as you can see, you will be able to see these networks, the Solana, Ethereum, Base, and Polygon. So as you can see, I don't have this over here. So what I need to do is by going and now tap in this search icon. Now here we will need a bridge to be able to swap the Solana to SUI. So in the search, type portal bridge. Like that, and I hit search. Now as you can see, you will be able to see this search result from Google. Tap on the Portal Bridge website, and now as you can see, you will be able to see this page. You will be able to see from to. Now from, select the Solana that you want to swap. As you can see from here, select the network as Solana first, and now search for Solana, or just you can tap it in, is it in the first result. Now after you select the from, in this case it will be Solana. In to, you will be able to search for SUI. Now tap on it. And as you can see here, you will be able to see the SUI network. Now tap on it. And as you can see, you will be able to find the SUI token. Now tap on it. And now in the amount, you can type how much you want to swap of that Solana in your account to be able to swap it to SUI. Now after that, you can tap connect. And as you can see, select the Phantom. As you can see here, connection will allow this site to view balances and activity. You can select the account and you can now tap on connect. So after you connect your wallet to Portal Bridge, you will be able to swap Solana to SUI in your wallet. So this is how to swap Solana to SUI in Phantom Wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.